Dear students, let's continue. After leaving all the smoke trail, all the planes and jets left the place, and it was a charming, beautiful, and the scenic scene that was full of courage, bravery, and valor. After that, he says, "The day was symbolized for me." He recalls the day, and the day was very special and important for Nelson Mandela. Why does he say so? He says the day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems. One, the vision of the white, and they were singing Nkosi Sikelel Africa, and the blacks singing Die Stem, the old anthem of the Republic. He says, "Still I can recall the day. The day was very important for me. On that day, on the day of inauguration, two national anthems were being played. One for the white people, and they were singing their national anthem, and the lyrics were Nkosi Sikelel Africa and so on, while the black people of the same country they were singing Die Stem, though it was the old national anthem of the Republic. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem they once despised, and they would soon know the words by heart. Dear students, it was little bit hurting for him or painful for him, because in the same country, how is it possible the people of the same country they are singing their different national anthems? One country has one soul, one country represents only one national anthem. There should be only one national anthem that shows the unity of all the people in a nation or in a country. He was It was hurting him that people are singing their different national anthem, but okay, let it be. He wants only the happiness and unity of the people. Doesn't matter with what they are singing, if they have different national anthem. But on that day, neither the black group nor the white group knows or the lyrics of their national anthems, of each other's national anthem. But still he was sure the day will come when they would soon, blacks as well as whites, they all will soon learn the lyrics of each other's national anthem by heart. It means he hopes for the unity, he hopes for the humanity, love among his people. He hopes one day day will come in the history of South Africa when they all will have the same love and bonding with each other. The next paragraph is despise it is visible on your screen. Despise means if you do not like something or someone, it means you have feeling of despise, having very low opinion of, or you can say they were hateful of. Aversion is also the synonym could be of despise. In the next paragraph, on the day of the inauguration, it was the day of inauguration ceremony, and I was overwhelmed. I was over emotional with a sense of history. I was touched whenever I nostalgic of my historical days or my history when I went back in my previous days. He says in the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter of Anglo-Boer War, and before my own birth, the white-skinned people of South Africa patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. He said, I got very touched, I got very emotional. It was very painful for me when I looked into my past, in my history. He says, in the first decade of 20th century is going on, and decade I have already told you, it is a time period of 10 years. In this 20th century, in the first decade means in the first section of these 100 years, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War, after a few years, it was a bitter Anglo-Boer War. There was a war, and It was the scene, it was the time of my before my own birth. Even he was not there, he did not get birth,